The second part of the problem asks us about the scale factor and what the scale factor is to make the smaller copy. So anytime you have a scale factor that's less than 1, then you're going to shrink your original down to something smaller. So it's going to shrink it. It's going to shrink your figure. And we can see that that's what's happening here. So we know whatever it is that our original shape is, we've got to multiply it by a number that's less than 1. Can't be negative though. That's not possible. So if we look at the length of xy and I go through and I count it, I can see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So xy is 4 units in length. And we were talking about in the previous problem of labeling it. So we had x prime, y prime, that indicates it's the shrunk copy. And that is, oops, y. That one is 1. So we're going from 4 units to 1 unit. So that's the same as dividing by 4, or you can say you are multiplying by 1/4. So our scale factor then, since we're going from 4 to 1, 4 times 1/4 gives us 1. Because when you do the multiplication and you look diagonally, you get, I call it crossy outies. That's not really official, but you can cross out any shared factors and you're going to end up with 1. Therefore, our scale factor is 1 for this problem, getting from the original to the scaled h. That's our answer.